I'm guessing that you are here because you want to earn money online. I got you because in this video, I will tell you how you can earn a decent amount of money by liking online videos. It's not really impossible. I will show you how you can earn money online, so stick with me until the end of this video. If you are skeptical, then think about your goals. You can finally buy the shoes that you want or the laptop that you need. You can even give money to your family with this method. In this video, I will help you earn money and make your dreams come true. This is available to anyone with or without experience. You can also access it from any place in the world. Take note that this strategy will not make you a millionaire, but it will be a great source of income for a beginner. Also, this is good for a side hustle but not for a whole full-time job. Again, just watch this video until the end to know the step-by-step process of how you can earn money online. A reminder before I share this tip, do not forget to like and subscribe to our account for more fantastic financial contents. This is the Online Money Machine, and here I will teach you amazing yet simple ways and tips on how to make money online. Again, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification button to know more about our future money-making contents. Being updated to the latest hacks will let you start earning more money. Lastly, let's make this an interactive learning experience by commenting and posting your questions, comments, reactions, and thoughts in the comment section of the video. Now, please open your browser and search for rapidworkers.com. This site, called Rapid Workers, is a crowdsourcing website where people can outsource workers. Currently, they have more than 100,000 workers. According to their site, they make low-cost publicity and marketing campaigns for individuals, small businesses, and professionals. Employing their services will help a business increase sales and improve their ranking backlinks. You will sign up as a worker on this site. Then, you can browse through the list of micro jobs that they have and choose the job you think will be the most appropriate for you. After that, finish the tasks given to you and submit the proof to them. Then, you will start earning money already. There are numerous ways of cashing out your money. You can use PayPal or bank transfer. At this moment, I will tell you how you can sign up on this website. First, press the button with the label "Be a part of Rapid Workers Now." You will get redirected to another page where you need to input the necessary information needed. Just put your name, email, password, and country of origin. As you can see, they are accepting applications from all over the world. You can use this wherever you are. After that, confirm that you are not a robot and you are done. Look at this. You can see that they have rules on this platform. Now, make sure to abide by these rules so you can earn your money. Do not worry because these rules are simple. First, you are not allowed to mask your IP address nor use VPNs. Second, you are only allowed to have one account. Multiple accounts that use the same IP address or Wi-Fi routers are prohibited. Lastly, you can only do jobs that are available to your country. Keep yourself from doing jobs that are not assigned to your country of origin. If you break these rules, your account might get banned from the platform. So do not cheat and just stick to only having one account. You do not need to waste this opportunity by cheating. Now that you already have an account, a verification mail will be sent to your email. Press the attached link on their email to verify your account. After that, you can now log in to your Rapid Workers account. Once you are inside your account, the dashboard will look like this. On the top, you can keep track of a lot of things. You will see your total deposits, withdrawals, and other stuff. Upon signing up, you can already get paid from $1 to $5. You are not yet doing anything, but you are already starting to earn. Also, the earning potential for this platform is really incredible. There is also no limit to the times that you can use and access this platform. Thus, you can do this over and over again to increase your earnings. You can scroll through the site and you will see these tasks that you can try. It's actually pretty transparent if you think about it. It will also show you the amount that the site will pay you for accomplishing such tasks. They also provide the estimated amount of time that you might use on this platform. As you can see, it only takes minutes to do these tasks. On this side, you can see the list of countries where these tasks are available. Now, remember their rules. You are only allowed to take tasks that are available to your country. It is against their rule to do jobs that are not available to your country. Just use and do the tasks that are labeled international to be sure. Remember, you will be focusing on the job that involve liking videos. To find these jobs, type YouTube on the search bar. Then, look it up and click on the button that has the most paid label. After that, arrange by sorting the jobs according to how much you can make from it. Click here. Now, we will see the highest paying jobs. As you can notice, there are jobs that are willing to pay this much for your little efforts. You can earn a huge amount of money within an hour if you can accomplish numerous tasks from the list. This is really a great opportunity to start making money online. Let's have an example. This task will pay you this amount of money as long as you can do this task within the given time. Press this one and the page will redirect you to this one. You can now see here all the information that you need to know in accomplishing this job. After that, simply follow the instructions. Once you are finished, they will pay you the amount that they stated in the post. This is really easy, right? You can earn money just by simply watching videos. Well, what are you waiting for? You can now start your online money making journey. Again, this is Online Money Machine, and do not forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to know more about how to make money online.